someone calls us relating to the criminal defense practice. And we want to make sure that if we're retained, that we get them the best result possible. I learned a ton as a prosecutor. I learned how to, think on my feet. I learned to look at a case and very quickly figure out if it was a good case or a bad case from the prosecution standpoint. It was very easy to flip and do it as a defense attorney, whether the person did it or not. I'll look at the facts, I'll look at the paperwork, I'll look at the evidence, and decide if they can prove their case, which is really the more important question. When people call us, they call us usually in a few very specific circumstances. Either they or a loved one's been arrested and now they are facing criminal charges, or they or a loved one has been contacted by law enforcement and they now know that they are being investigated. And we want to make sure that if we're retained, that we get them the best result possible. And whether that means a complete dismissal because they're the wrong person, they didn't do it, they don't know what they're talking about, we will fight to get that. If the evidence tends to show that perhaps they did do what they're being accused of, then we will examine the case and we know what a fair result is, and we always try and get the best result.